I know December is a crazy busy time of year, so I'll keep this brief and focused on what matters most to you. First, I'm excited to invite you to our holiday open house on Thursday, December 5th, here in the Overland Park office from 4 to 6 p.m. It's going to be a fun-filled event where we'll explore a concept we like to call healthy-ish. Healthy-ish is one of our 2025 themes and is about finding that sweet spot between what's healthy, socially acceptable, and real-life practical. On another note, let's talk about another important issue that's obviously top of mind lately: health insurance. You've probably heard by now that starting January 1, 2025, Heartland Weight Loss will be moving away from traditional health insurance altogether. This decision isn't one we made lightly. The healthcare landscape is shifting in a lot of ways. When it comes to obesity treatment, I would say overall we're taking a few steps backwards in terms of progress. For instance, the Federal Employee Health Plan and the Kansas State Employee Health Plan, which once covered anti-obesity medications at reasonable rates, have changed their tune quite a bit. Coverage for anti-obesity medications was relatively painless for most of these employees in 2023 and 2024, and it's going to get much more expensive in 2025. Many non-government employer-sponsored commercial health plans are also pulling back on coverage for these essential medications in 2025 as well. Coverage for office visits, in which obesity treatment is addressed, is becoming inconsistent across the country. Our big local carrier was one of the first to deny treatment for any office visit in which obesity was discussed, even when treating other conditions. But other plans are starting to take pages from their playbook. I wish I could change this. I have fought valiantly with my pen and my voice in the past 2 years, my two favorite weapons, but these companies are massive and their power is immense. They don't care much about how their decisions impact you and me. So until it gets better, assuming it will someday, it's essential to stay informed. I urge you to review your 2025 health plan thoroughly. If you're going to keep using health insurance for obesity treatment somewhere besides Heartland, and or if you are using insurance to cover anti-obesity medications, check your coverage for the upcoming year. I couldn't even get a plan that covered either one for my employees, which is incredibly disheartening. Don't assume everything will remain the same. Review your plan documents, especially exclusions. Understand how medications are covered under your plan, if they come with a copay, or if you have to pay the full cost until you meet your deductible. If they are part of a copay system, look up the tier of your medications to figure out what they are going to cost you in 2025. If things are going to get dicey in 2025, work with us this next month to try and build a bridge so that you don't hit a wall in January when you are already tired from all of the December chaos. And speaking of that, try and enjoy some of the chaos. Take a few minutes here and there to do some self-care, to focus on the people around you. Don't get hyper-focused on the food-centric nonsense that commercial entities promote heavily this time of year. Yes, sugary things make everything more fun, but they don't need to be attached to every single thing we do for an entire month of the year. Having poor health isn't fun. As always, thank you for trusting us. We look forward to seeing you at our holiday open house and continuing this journey together as a community.